Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup vegetable Maggi. Start by prepping vegetables and measuring stock and spices so you move smoothly. I will guide you through sautéing aromatics, adding vegetables, and timing the noodles for perfect texture. Follow simple seasoning tips to balance salt and tang, and I will share optional add-ins to boost flavor and nutrition, making this a quick, comforting meal. Begin with clean, evenly chopped vegetables so they cook uniformly and taste great. Heat a tablespoon of oil, sauté onions and garlic until translucent, then add firmer vegetables first. Pour in stock, bring to a simmer, and adjust heat so the vegetables soften but stay vibrant. Stir in the Maggi noodles and masala at the right moment so you get tender noodles and a rich, well-balanced soup that feels homemade. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs strangely well with budget-friendly meals like this one. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it as a gift for someone who loves smart simplicity. Now let's get back to the video. Use low to medium heat to avoid burning the aromatics, and to coax out sweet, mellow flavors from the vegetables. When the stock simmers, add noodles and stir gently to prevent clumping, then monitor cooking time closely so noodles remain slightly firm. Finish with fresh herbs or a pinch of chili for lift, and serve hot in bowls with a drizzle of oil or a wedge of lemon for extra zest and warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.